and less money being accumulated. Money, money, money. Everyone thinks about money and people think that it's wrong to think about it. Like one sort of double thinking the whole time. People say, money doesn't make you happy. I will come back and comment this popular phrase. They often say, stop being materialistic. Money gives you a bad power, or money is not everything. Of course, money is not everything, because you can't buy a family unless you're playing the same sport. Human beings invented money in 1,500 before Christ, and we stick to these rules to exchange invention because it worked. It worked, it will still work. Money moves the world. Gives motivation for people to keep going, to create new dreams, to get the paper stuff and quantity. But to make money requires skills. Skills that you can learn easy from internet forums, big businessmen, rich investors, I mean rich people in general. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Money doesn't make you happy. A new study shows that having more money does not correspond to more satisfaction. We'll never be satisfied. In a survey of 5 studies of 1.6 million people from 162 countries, researchers found that more money does not lead to greater feelings of fulfillment over time. Because money is not everything for us. As human species, we need true friends, time, partner, family, a big social circle, and even other things subside. We are all different but with the same needs. Although it doesn't make you happy, money is very important. It allows us to meet our basic needs, to buy food and shelter, to pay for healthcare. Meeting all these needs is essential. And if we don't have enough money to do so, our personal well-being and the well-being of the community as a whole suffers greatly. And that's why it's sometimes okay to have more.